In this video, we'll show you how to add a printer to your Mac. You'll need to know the IP address of your copier before you start. Let's make a quick test. Open a web browser, enter the IP address of the copier, and you should see a web page similar to this. Let's go back to the browser, enter ricoh-usa.com, click on Support and Downloads, enter your model number into the Search for Downloads box, and click on the magnifying glass. This will take you to the download link. Click on the download link, agree, and scroll down to pick your operating system. You can now download the file, and it will place it in your downloads folder. Now we can launch the downloaded file if it does not automatically. It will open up in a window with the installer. Double click on the installer. After a few buttons, and you may need to authenticate a user for installation. It will install the print driver files. Upon successful installation, you will be able to choose whether to delete or save that installer file. At this point, we need to add the printer. So click on your system preferences, printers and scanners, click on the plus at the bottom, choose the globe at the top of the Add Printer window, enter your IP address of your copier. In the protocol line below, ensure that it says line printer daemon. If it does not, you can choose the drop down there to make sure you've got the right one. Let's give the printer a name that your users can relate to. And if the printer model does not show up in the use line below, you can select it by clicking on the drop down on the use line. Choose Select Software. Enter the model number or a portion of it in order to narrow your search. Choose the correct model, OK, and add that printer. Next, we'll go to Options and Supplies to add any features that you may have on the printer. Click on the Options tab, choose the trays that you may have on the machine, choose the finisher that you may have, and any other options. Click OK, and now your printer has been added. The next step is to create some custom print settings. Okay, now we're going to send a print job. In the printer settings, we're going to go to the printer features, change the color to black and white, and we'll save this as a preset named Black and White Duplex. We'll make another preset for color. I'm going to turn off two-sided, turn on the color. We'll save this as a preset named Color Single-Sided. This will allow us to easily change print settings for different print jobs, and as many of these presets can be made as you want. At this point, we print, and you can see that the job has been sent. Thanks for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any comments or you would like to know more about your Ricoh copiers. Thanks, and have a nice day.